morning. Please excuse the slightly croaky voice. Yesterday's World Cup final was great, even if the result didn't favour us in the end. But we are at Muriwai Beach, just to have a bit of a look around and go from there. Nice surfery beach. Very dramatic.
We've come to Tihenga Walkway, one of the famous walks in Waitakere Ranges. Going up there. It's not fully open at the minute because part of it's like there's a full landslide because the whole walk's like 10 kilometres to where we just were. But we're going to do just like 40 minutes one way and then back section of it to O'Neill's Bay, just because we don't need to kill ourselves doing loads of massive walks. So yeah, we should get to see some of the cliffs and stuff. Yeah, let's take you on the walk.
Growing up, I always assumed quicksand would be more of a prevalent issue in my life, because there's a lot of indications that it is a big issue, but yeah.
Okay. We found where we started to go up. Gotta get up to the top of the cliff. O'Neill's Bay. It's pretty. Gonna walk around a little bit more, and then we're gonna go back to that bench and have some snacks. That's what we do. So we are in here. There are some stunning houses around, like just perched randomly. The cliff road was intense.
It wasn't too bad. It was just
You were done.
I'm tired.
It was a lot after like 3 roads like that.
It's all days been like that.
Yeah. But yeah, we're in for here. There's lovely Lions Rock there.
It's the Eel Bridge.
Yes.
Eel.
But we are just going to go and check out the surf club because apparently there's a taco shop there. So we'll have a look, and then if not, we'll go back on the van.
Or maybe both.
Or maybe both. Maybe we just have a beer and then. But we might stay another night just so we can then just walk to some of the stuff tomorrow. Because sometimes it's just nice to have that extra day
Yes.
rather than rushing around as well. Because we have loads of time. Yeah, stunning. Look at it. Yeah, there's the black sand beach here, lots of walkways, and also a waterfall. So we'll check those out tomorrow. Oh, you can climb up there too.
Oh yeah.
Get a nice view from up there. Look at these houses. Super fancy. We're at Pahia Surf Club, recently renovated, right by the beach.
Cheers. Yeah.